With great sound quality comes great gaming experience. Let's take a look at some of these popular gaming headsets to help you find the right one. Wireless gaming headsets are widely popular because of their ability to move freely. Check out these 3 wireless gaming headsets that currently everyone is talking about. Sony's Inzone H9 gaming headset is truly a bang for the buck. By the looks of it, it does have the aesthetic of a traditional PS5 design and it syncs quite well. With its active noise cancellation feature, gamers won't have any problem focusing on their in-game actions. Ambient sound mode is another cool feature that awares users of the surroundings. Thanks to its super fit leather ear pads, users can easily wear them while gaming for a long period. And lastly, it comes with a high-quality boom mic that does a pretty good job delivering a clear voice in a noisy background. Corsair Virtuoso definitely deserves some acknowledgement for a high-tier gaming headset as an alternative choice. With a high range frequency of a maximum 20,000 to 40,000 Hz, this headset provides very premium quality of sound. Corsair Virtuoso is made with top-notch memory foam, allowing users to play games comfortably for a longer period of time. Judging by the looks, a premium lightweight finishing touch with strong durability gives this headset a very premium look. To make it even more convenient, this headset also comes with a 3.5mm and USB jack. In addition, the microphone of this headset is detachable and has an LED RGB indicator for live and mute status. Enough of these pricey headsets. Now, let's take a look at the less expensive and affordable ones. The HyperX Cloud Stinger Core headset is potentially a good wireless mid-tier gaming headset. Although this headset has fewer features compared to the premium ones, it does come with a good quality noise cancelling microphone, including onboard control to adjust the volume. Earpads are soft and squishy, which will give the users a cozy gaming experience. That being said, HyperX Cloud Stinger is currently the best budget gaming headset on the market. Wired headsets are popular for their high-speed audio latency among users, and if you're looking for a new one, we might have a few suggestions. Whether you play casual games or competitive games, Razer's Black Shark V2 wired headset is ready to provide an immersive gaming experience. This headset includes THX 7.1 spatial surround sound, which provides 360-degree high-quality sounds. Users can turn on and off these settings by using the dedicated software that comes with the product, and it's super easy to use. As for the looks, it has a very premium aesthetic of classic Razer headsets, giving it a bit of a modern vibe. Black Shark V2 has a super comfy design that will let the users play games longer. Also, the microphone of this headset is detachable and has a built-in mute button for convenience. Looking for the latest gaming headset in a reasonable price range? Check out Sony's Inzone H3 wired gaming headset that will fit with your PC and PS5 just fine. This headset also has 360 spatial sound for gaming, just like the high-end Inzone H9. The ducts on the headset are designed to produce powerful and clean sound quality. So, while gaming, the chances of hearing rare footsteps are pretty high. Inzone H3 also has its own version of Inzone Hub software where users can save their own preset and customize it as they wish. On top of that, the headband is super flexible and very comfortable to wear. Corsair HS55 gaming headset undoubtedly steals the spot for the best budget gaming wired headsets on the market. HS55 includes a 7.1 Dolby Audio surround sound feature, which can be enabled using the USB adapter that comes with the headset. The ear cups are leatherette with soft memory foam that's very comfortable to wear. With its 3.5mm jack, users can use it on any platform other than the PC. This headset is available in 2 colors with its neat and clean design. The weight of this headset is very light and comes with a non-detachable mic. You can easily flip up or down to mute and unmute the mic without any hassle. So, that was all about the top gaming headsets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.